I thought the video stopped working before, but it had not stopped. So I am going to just put up part 2, which is this, okay? I'm going to do some of this, the applications, just to help you because I don't want the hardest part to be without help. So Mr. Fields is planting a rose bed in his garden. It is to be in the shape of an equilateral triangle of side 2 meters. What area of lawn will he need to remove to plant his rose bed? Well, it's an equilateral triangle and each side measures 2. So that's 2 and that's 2. This is also 2, but that doesn't really matter. And then every angle of an equilateral triangle in all the land is 60, 60, 60. So you can do the first one by just doing 1/2 of 2 times 2 times 60, right? We have that one set up fine. So you'll be able to do that. Number 2, for safety reasons, the sides of a footbridge are to be covered with triangular panels. Okay? Each panel is an isosceles triangle as shown. Well, what you have to remember that if 2 sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite those sides are congruent. So if this is 70, that's 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. That leaves 40 for here because the triangle has to add up to 180. So then for this part, 1/2 of 1.7 times 1.7 times 40 is going to give you the area of the triangle. But then there are 7 panels on each side of the bridge. So once you find the area, you're going to have to multiply it by 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. That's how you're going to do this one. Okay, so that's really good help for number 2. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to do this one with you. Okay, the area of a triangular flag is 429.5 centimeters. Calculate the size of angle B. Okay, well, we have the area, so we're going to do K equals 1. Now, so normally K equals 1/2 AB sine C, but this time we have A and we have C. So K equals 1/2 AC sine B. Okay. Well, we know the area is 429.5 equals 1/2 of 34 times 34 times the sine of B. Okay. So then 429.5 is equal to 1.5 times 34 times 34, which is 578. See that? 578 times the sine of B. I want to get the sine of B by itself. Divide by 578, divide by 578. The sine of B is equal to 429.5 over 578. Then I do the inverse of 429.5 over 578 to get the approximate answer of angle B. So second sine of 429.5 divided by 578 and 47.99 if they want it. Well, it doesn't say what they want it to, so I'm going to round it to the nearest degree, and that's approximately 48 degrees. So measure of angle B is 48 degrees. Okay, so we did the lesson. Sorry, I had to put it in 2 parts. I did not mean to. The part that says recording on my screen had just gone away. It was no longer there. And so I thought the video was over, but it was not over. It's just that was gone. So anyway, I'll just post this up as applications part. Anyway, be good. You're going to have to hand in everything that's not on this done. You have to hand in completed by tonight, 11:59 p.m. Okay, be good. Have a good night. Bye.